This is why people want to drink beer when they grill. It's like you just need something to like quench your thirst. I don't want your beer.
Beer?
I don't want your beer.
Beer, you say?
I don't want your beer. Hey you guys, I'm Rishon from Food Stylist Versus, and it is a beautiful Saturday, and guess what? I'm grilling today. So I have some really awesome stuff that I'm gonna show you that I'm doing, and I'm literally grilling everything that I possibly can pull out of my refrigerator to grill. We've got veggies, we've got bread, and we've got a really great grilled chicken breast recipe from myrecipes.com. It's simple, it's delicious, and it makes a beautiful grilled chicken. And who doesn't want grilled chicken when it's like practically summer now? So hang out, see what I've got going on here. I promise you, it's hot. So before we go outside and I start grilling, we have to get everything prepped out, and I want to talk to you about my chicken breasts. Sometimes chicken breasts are a little wonky. They don't like look exactly like the picture perfect chicken breast. One trick that I have is to trim them down. I'm just gonna kind of outline with my fingers kind of the shape that I see in this chicken breast. That will make it a better, like more appealing shape. So basically a chicken breast looks like your hand if it's closed like this upside down. So like there's this lobe on the side, the top of the breast that's round right here, and then it comes down to a point. So this is kind of the outline that I'm going for. I'm gonna cut this lobe side down. I'm gonna do the same over on here, and then take a little bit off the bottom because it doesn't need to be like a perfectly pointy tip. And I'm also just going to go around the top a little bit at an angle, and also just trim off those like fatty pieces. So there is my trimmed down chicken breast. The veggies are cooked first, so that's what we're gonna do. So we've got red onion wedges, these little beautiful cherry tomatoes on a vine, some mini sweet bell peppers, lemon halves to go with our lemon chicken, zucchini, asparagus, broccoli, portobello mushroom caps, and some beautiful sourdough bread. So for seasoning the veggies, I'm just keeping it really simple. Just doing olive oil, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna serve it with a little pesto sauce at the end. So just wanna keep those veggies nice, crisp, fresh, and just perfectly simply seasoned. And this grill is hot. I preheated it, I cleaned it. One thing that I love to do, even though I oiled my veggies, is give the grill a good spray with like a grill cooking spray, not just like your normal regular old cooking spray. It needs to be specifically like for a grill, just to make sure we don't want anything to stick. Just letting everybody know we're cooking. Take 3 on grilling these vegetables, because first my phone and tripod fell off the deck while I was filming. And then second, I ran out of propane. So I literally had to go to the store and get propane. So now we're back. I don't know if you guys have this much trouble when you grill. The trick here, especially with grilling vegetables, is that you don't want to overcook the vegetables. You don't want them to get like weird and soggy, but also have like really great char marks and grill marks on them. Even if that means like slightly undercooked, I think that's a good thing. I kind of like my vegetables like that anyway. My trick with asparagus is really just to grill like one side, because like I said, with the vegetables, we don't want to overcook them. I can't express that enough. An overcooked vegetable in any scenario is a sad day, truly. But you know, when you overcook a vegetable, that it changes colors. And so especially with asparagus, we want it to stay this like bright green color. These cherry tomatoes on the vine, they're super cute, but they are a little tricky. So really all we're gonna do is kind of get a little bit of a char on the bottom. They are definitely the most tender vegetable to grill, but delicious, and they're gonna add a really great like pop of color and a really great acidity to go with all the other veggies. The things that we're not cooking a lot are the tender and green vegetables. Zucchini and asparagus we're kind of keeping at like a minimal char level. We want those veggies to still maintain a lot of their original color and firmness. And then with these other veggies like the onions and the peppers, we're definitely getting those more done. We want to see that really dark char. We want them to be tender. Look at that lemon. Ooh, it's hot. It dripped juice on me. So I definitely like to cook on a higher heat setting. I think it really helps. Oh yeah, these tomatoes are looking good. I do want to try and keep them on the vine, which is kind of a tricky thing. You see, they're just kind of getting, woo. I'm a professional, I promise. Broccoli, I love to get a really good char on the broccoli too. It's really just like attention to detail, getting it to look the way you want it to look. And I know I'm talking a lot about the way these veggies look, but a lot of it is the way they taste too. Totally just stepped on that tomato that I dropped. I mean, this is kind of what I'm talking about right here. So you kind of see the grill marks, but then it's also got some really nice char on it. Beautiful. Blistered. You see? It's like blistered. Last shroomy. And then our last piece of bread. It looks beautiful. Boom. So now that the vegetables are cooked, now we're ready to grill the chicken. They marinated per recipe for about 30 to 45 minutes. And I've got them on a sheet tray, and now I'm just going to season them with salt and pepper and get them ready to go on the grill. I don't like to put the salt and pepper in the marinade because I want to make sure there is salt and pepper on each chicken breast appropriately. I like my stuff well seasoned. I'm going to give the grill a little like once over, get it quite clean before I get the chicken on here. And one more like spray with our grilling cooking spray. I'm going to spray the chicken breasts also. Okay, we're going on the grill. And I like to go sideways, diagonal, turning it down a little bit. It's not as high as it was when I was grilling those veggies because the chicken's gonna take a little bit more time to cook. I don't want it to like get too dark without being done. We're gonna babysit them, but you know, one of the best things truly when you're cooking on a grill and you wanna make sure your like grill marks are like top of the notch. Don't mess with it too early. Just let it do its thing. Let the char marks happen. Let the grill marks happen. Don't be just like fidgeting with it over and over again, especially like on this side. You know it's not done yet. You just put it on there. I say that and then I'm like, I want to see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Look at it. It looks so great. We're checking the chicken. Done. Woot. All right, you guys, I'm all done grilling. I've cooled off just enough. And I've got everything plated, ready for our fabulous outdoor first grill of the summer dinner. We've got our beautiful grilled chicken with our grilled lemon halves, and that's a pesto. And then we have all of our grilled veggies, mushrooms, zucchini, onion, tomatoes, asparagus, broccoli, peppers, and bread. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me grill all this delicious food. We're totally about to chow down. It's going to be awesome. Make sure you're following Food Stylist Versus on YouTube and you're subscribed. Click that bell. While you're there, follow me on Instagram at Rishon Marie. And check out myrecipes.com for the recipe for this grilled chicken and so many more recipes that are getting me through my stay-at-home life right now. So, again, thanks for watching. Holler at me if you guys have any questions. Take care. Be safe.
Very juicy and delicious.